2 hours to the full circuit twice. Everybody knew it was going to take between 1 hour and 2 hours. This one take 2 hours, okay? Don't be too worried about anything. It's broke up into, guys, listen, it's broke up into 13 teams of 4. Okay, so you're working in groups of 4 the whole time. Okay? And there's 13 groups. There's 4 exercises per group. Guys, listen up so you know here, right? There's 4 exercises per group and 13 groups. And you're going to make your way around as smooth as you can, because obviously 52 people, a lot of people can't be moving. So guys, listen to the instructor and the trainer that you're working with, and they'll move you on to the next group of 4 exercises, okay? Okay guys, listen up, right and left. Make sure you're up with your knees bent. Forward back. Get the ankles moving, guys. Okay, body squat. Heads in the back, straight forward. Feeling good?
Yep.
For sure. Well, let's go. Good man.
Stop there.
Knees up in the air, come on. Alex is doing it. Nobody has to finish the workout off to keep your metabolism moving for the rest of the day, right? Every single person, 51 of you, including the instructors as well, are going to do the leg matrix. Once you finish helping people around you, if you cheat yourself, you're only cheating yourself. Are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Guys, encourage them, let's go. Go deep, go deep, go deep.
Just for you, Julie.
Go deep. Right now.